guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave some comments in the section down below. Now let's get into this video. So I'm starting off with old and dry hair, and it's about time for me to refresh and put some life back into my hair. So I'm going to start off with the Tgin Miracle Repairx Strengthening Shampoo. It's an intense hydrating shampoo for dry, damaged, and brittle hair, which is everything that my hair is right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I really massage it through my roots, really cleanse my hair, because I've been going forever without washing my hair. So I really need to get my roots and my scalp, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep massaging that through. Next, I'm going to go in with the AsIAm Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This conditioner has amazing slip and really helps me detangle my hair very easily. I used to use the Aussie Moist, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, and it comes in a really big packaging, so you guys can also use that one. That one's really affordable as well. I just ran out, so I'm using this AsIAm Jamaican Black Castor Oil conditioner. Like I said, it has a lot of slip. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off. I do like to work in sections because my hair is pretty thick. So I like to typically do like either 2 sections or 4 sections all around my hair. So right now I'm just carefully separating my curls to make sure that I don't have major breakage while I start detangling. So after I've separated my hair into sections, I like to go in with more of that conditioner and apply it to each section, and then I'm going to gently start to detangle my hair. After I do apply the conditioner, I like to go in and go under the water a little bit just to kind of, I don't know, activate the conditioner, in my opinion. But yeah, I like to gently separate some of the tangles before I do that. And then once I get under the water and the water hits my hair with the conditioner, it pretty much just glides right through. That's why I like to choose a really good conditioner to detangle with. And then after I finger detangle, I'm going to go in with a brush just to make sure everything is nice and detangled, because sometimes your fingers don't be getting all the knots. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with this brush that I got. I think it's just from Conair, or sometimes I'll use the Tangle Teaser brush. So yeah, those are some options you guys can do as well. And then yeah, this section is nice and detangled, as you guys can see right here. And then after I detangle that section, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it up. And I'm going to repeat that all over my hair. Okay, so now that I have all 4 of my twists, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this conditioner out. And then I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner next. So this is what my hair is looking like after I rinsed out that conditioner. Next, I'm going to go in with the Tgin Miracle Repairx Curl Protein Reconstructor, which works to detoxify hair, remove buildup, and strengthen strands by restoring protein in the hair. And the formula that they have in this moisturizes your scalp and smooths your hair cuticle. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my hair, and then I'm going to sit under a dryer for like 10 to 15 minutes and then come back and rinse it out. I've been using their Miracle Repairx line because I feel like my hair really needs a deep treatment, because I do have heat damage now in the front, if you guys haven't noticed. So I'm trying to repair that heat damage. So this is what my hair looks like after I've rinsed that out. My curls are popping. It looks hydrated, moisturized, and yeah. Now I'm just going to go ahead and style my hair into a wash and go. So make sure you guys check out my previous video of the wash and go I did using the Trelux products. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.